We're arriving at the farm. Here is Donald Larson. Donald, do you have any words for the family?
Yes, greetings. Come and see us anytime. Bring your wallet.
So here, we'll take a little walk. You can see that we're in a wooded area. It's pretty much what it is. There's a field over here. So we'll walk.
Marvin open this?
Yeah, he must have. Here's the basement, which isn't so exciting.
The storm cellar.
We'll walk over here, and you can see the outside area. Here's the stream. Probably a lot of bugs down here, so I don't know if we want to go see the stream.
Bugs aren't bad. It's when you get into that shrubbery that they're nasty. Well, I thought Marvin had cleared away some of the land on the opposite side of the creek. He plans to do that. That's a major undertaking.
Yeah, well, we'll show them the bridge. We'll show them Uncle Marvin's sauna up here.
Have you told them that there are fish in this, or trout?
There's trout in the stream.
And the salmon come up the stream or downstream to deposit their eggs.
Here's Uncle Marvin going off to the shed. We'll take you all to the sauna. Finished sauna, as you can see. Uncle Marvin's swimming at the farm.
No, that's in Finland.
Uncle Donald claims it's in Finland. Here's the sauna room. There's a fire already started for dinner.
For bathing.
So here's where everybody takes the baths. Here's the pump. So we're off again. He's getting out the stuff in this. When do we start working on the bridge?
Not for another hour. I got an hour of monkey business. Did you make this out of vulcanized wood? Yeah.
Kuopio, Bayview, Helsinki, Barcelona, New York City, Porto Alegre.